Hey guys, this is Muskan Tolani, and since this is my very first YouTube video, I will be talking a little bit about myself and what type of content you can expect from me. While I also prepared my vision board for 2025. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos where people, prepare vision boards for 2025, and so I also thought we can give it a try. So I already had in mind as to what type of pictures do I want and, the aesthetics of my vision board. So I went on to Pinterest and searched for the images that I want, and I collected a lot of images from Pinterest. And I got a printout of all those images, and along with that, I also got a canvas board. So yes, let's get started. Okay, so talking about myself, I am Muskan. I am from Surat, Gujarat, and I'm 24, and I'm also chartered accountant. So I cleared my C exams at the age of 22, and after that, I moved to Mumbai, where I worked at a mutual fund company for over a year and a half. And let me tell you, those 1.5 years of my life were crazy because that was the first time that I've, moved from my city and I was living away from my family, my friends, and everyone familiar to me basically. But couple of months back, I moved back to Surat. And by the way, I have completed my schooling, my college, my CA course, my articleship or internship, whatever you call it, everything from Surat itself. So yes, this city is pretty close to my heart and I'm so happy that I've moved back here. Oh, our vision board. Okay, so I've divided my vision board into four categories: work, fitness, self care, and travel. So, talking about the very first category, which is work, since I've already left my job a couple of months back and I'm currently working on something which hopefully will get launched in the first quarter of 2025. Fingers crossed. So, yes, main thing that I want to focus on in 2025 is my work. And since this is like restarting my career, hoping that 2025 turns out to be a great year in terms of my work and career. Okay, so while I'm shooting the video, my brother is literally looking at me and he is laughing. I don't know for what reason. This is my first video and he should be motivating me, but brothers, brothers, let it be. Okay, so I'll quickly cut these pictures and then we'll discuss about the category 2. Okay, so I'm done with cutting the pictures and hence let's move to the next category, that is fitness. So I joined gym recently. I think it's been a month and a half, and let's just be honest, I was working out pretty good for the first 15 to 20 days. But then I had to attend a wedding and I started eating junk again, and my diet was messed up, and hence I just stopped working out. And for most of the people, working out is an escape from their work. Gym is the place where they feel energized, where they feel refreshed. But let me tell you, it's not the same in my case. I enjoy working out only when I've completed my work, or let's just say my mind is at peace. So, for all the times that I'm overthinking or I'm stressed about my work, I just, cannot forget about the work and just start working out and, feel energized or refreshed. So, that is one thing that I really want to change about myself in 2025. That I really, really want to work out regularly, hit the gym consistently, no matter how I'm feeling in the moment. So, yes. Now, I'll quickly arrange these pictures on the canvas and then I'll use the Fevicol to stick all of them. I was not able to find a Fevicol, but we do have a glue stick. So, yes. Moving to the third category, that is self-care. Since the past couple of months, I have been super tensed about my work and I think everything in general. So I have completely stopped doing self-care. I still remember during my school and college days, I used to paint a lot, and I was so much into the creative stuff and I genuinely loved doing it. So I want Seaside to come back in 2025 and I want to paint more and just be creative. So yes, that is one thing. And the other thing is that I just want to go out. Go out in general, maybe just taking a small walk for 10 to 15 minutes, just go out in the fresh air and step out of my house. Because let me tell you, I am super lazy when it comes to stepping out of my house. I just avoid when it comes to any kind of work that, I'll have to get up, I'll have to dress up and just step out of my house. So that is the other thing that I seriously want to change. And one more thing that I seriously want to incorporate in my daily routine is skincare. So for the quick context, I am so bad at doing skincare that I don't even apply moisturizer every day. So yes, that is the other thing that I seriously want to incorporate in my daily routine, at least a little bit. Okay, so moving to the last category, that is travel. I honestly don't have as much plans of travel for 2025, so let's just say we'll go with the flow. However, I do wish to visit, a city or two in Rajasthan or Pondicherry or Kerala. Let's see. So yes, now that we are done with all the 4 categories, I have also arranged all the pictures on the canvas board. So I'll quickly stick those pictures and then show you how the vision board looks. So it's finally ready. I'm so happy with the way it's turned out and just exactly how I wanted, and just love how aesthetic this looks. So yes. And what are your goals for 2025? Would love to know in the comments below. And also let me know in the comments below what type of videos do you want from me. And subscribe to my channel to be the part of this journey. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.